Hello friends, good morning and welcome to Easy English Jabalpur channel. We will talk about the morphology of social word today. We can create different words with this basic or root word. Let's see how we can create different words and we can use them in sentences also. The first word is social itself. The meaning of social word is living in a company of others. We can say that I had a very active social life when I was at college. Number two, socialism. Socialism means the quality, it is a belief system which states that all are equal. So we can say that equality is one of the pillars of socialism. Third one is socialize. We can say that socialize, the meaning of socialize is to interact with others. We can say that Mr. Smith is a socialized person. He likes to meet people in his office. Next is sociability. Sociability is quality of being social. Let's take an example. We can say such team sports fosters male camaraderie and sociability. The last one is sociable. Sociable means fond of company of others. We can say that Rob is a sociable person. He likes parties. So friends, I hope you have understood the meanings of these words and how we can use them in sentences. So you can also use these words to improvise your English language and express your feelings in public. Have a nice day. Bye bye.